Hey guys, today we're going to make nice, tasty, sweet Puran Poli. It's very easy to make with a step-by-step tutorial, so let's begin. So we have 1 cup of chana dal that we soaked all night in water. Next, we're going to boil this chana dal with 2 cups of water. When it came to a boil, the chana dal should be soft like this, so easily squishable between your fingers. And then after, we're going to drain out the water. So we drained out the water and we're going to leave it here to cool down. Next, with our chana dal, we're going to mash it. You can blend it with a blender if you want. But we decided to mash it with a grinder because it's really soft. Once it got all mashed up like this, it's ready. The rest of the ingredients are jaggery or sugar, either to taste or 1 cup. Half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now in a pan, you're going to add your mashed up chana dal. And your jaggery or sugar. And then you're going to mix that together. Let these 2 ingredients melt together. After this, we're going to add our cardamom powder. Just for a little bit extra flavour. And then we're going to mix that in. Once it became thick and like this texture, it's cooked and done. This is the filling. And we're going to leave this aside to cool down. Now for the ingredients for the dough is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ghee, a pinch of salt, and lukewarm water required. So you're going to mix the salt with your flour. Next, you're going to rub in your ghee. And then you're going to pour in your water gradually, not all at once, until you combine this into a dough. This dough shouldn't be too hard, it's like a soft dough. Now leave the dough to rest for 20 minutes. Now with the stuffing, we're just going to make them into balls, small balls, like this, a handful. So we got 7 balls out of the filling, and we're going to make 7 balls out of the dough. The dough balls need to be a little bit more bigger. Now with the dough, we're going to just flatten it out with your fingers. And then place your filling in the middle. And then seal it tight. And then after that, you're going to roll it out. Make sure you put 1 tablespoon of oil on the board and spread it out. This is what you're going to be rolling it out on. You need to roll it out so it's thin, like this. Now to a heated pan we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and place your sweet paratha onto your pan and let each side fry golden brown. Before you turn it around, add 1 tablespoon of oil on this side. Make sure you cook on a medium flame. Once it's done, you can take it out of the pan. So here we have our sweet Puran Poli. It looks very nice and it's very tasty to eat. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.